Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a car wash script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you're going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just need to scroll down over here. Then click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So this is the documentation of the car wash script. I'll put the link in the description below. So first of all, we have to download this image from here. After downloading this image, we have to rename it with this name over here. After that, open the QBCore inventory, HTML, images, then paste that image over here. Just like this. Now we have to ensure the items in our items.lua. For that, open the QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Now we have to paste a line of code over here. Just like this. I'll put the code in the description below. You just need to copy it from here and paste it over here. Now let's open the script, then config.lua. From here you can configure the whole script. Over here you can configure the blip of the car wash and the location of the car wash from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now we have to download the dependency of the script, which is hrlib. For that we just need to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now copy the name of the script. After that, we have to ensure the script into our server.cfg. Scroll down over here. So I'll be ensuring it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the map. And over here you can see there is a blip of LS car wash. So let's teleport ourselves over here. Now let's spawn a car. Now to perform the car wash, we just need to get over here. And now we have to press E. So as you can see, our car wash has been started over here. And our vehicle got clean now. As you can see. So this was a small preview of the script. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.